In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Miro comments as notifications in Slack. This guide will help you streamline your workflow by keeping you up to date with all the relevant comments and mentions directly in Slack. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Miro.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do that next. You can log in with your email or choose to sign in using your Google account. Once you've logged in, keep an eye out for the Continue with Email option and click on it. This will ensure that you're properly authenticated. After you're logged into your Miro account, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your account profile right there, click on it, and from the drop down menu that appears, select the profile option. Now once you're in your profile, focus on the notifications section. You should see this option listed clearly on the page. Give it a click. In the notification settings, you'll spot the Connect to Slack button. Hitting this button is a crucial step in linking Miro to Slack, allowing for seamless notifications to keep you updated on any activities without having to check multiple platforms constantly. After clicking it, a prompt will appear, guiding you through the authorization process. You will be directed to allow necessary permissions. On this screen, confirm by selecting Allow. This connection isn't just one way, you'll repeat the authorization process as it might involve multi-step permission settings to ensure full integration of Miro's comments into your Slack space. Rest assured, each step is designed for your benefit, confirming which permissions you're granting for a secure and efficient linking of these two essential platforms. Having set up the link, we now configure which notifications you'd like to receive. Scroll to find the option labeled Highlight. Click on it to focus on specific notification settings tailored to your preferences. Ensure that the option, when someone comments in threads I'm following, is checked. This setting will notify you every time someone contributes to a thread you're interested in, keeping you in the loop on discussions that matter to you. Additionally, make sure that when someone mentions me in any comments is selected too. This way, if anyone needs your attention on a particular board or task, you'll receive an instant notification on Slack. It's a fantastic way to ensure you never miss out on important communications. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Miro comment notifications to appear in Slack. By integrating these two platforms, you are now set to enhance your team's collaboration and personal productivity no matter where you are. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.